Hey friends, if you wish to extend your laptop battery life, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So, battery is a very expensive component in every computer and it may go bad easily. So, here's what you have to do to make sure that it runs as long as possible. First of all, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now, go to the system tab and select power and battery in the right pane. Okay, after selecting power and battery, change it from best performance to best power efficiency. I select balanced, but you can select best power efficiency. Or you can do one thing for the plugged in mode, you can keep it on balanced. For on battery, you can keep it at best power efficiency. Now, the second thing is try using your computer with the power cable attached. So a lot of users say, a lot of people say that after some time your system will stop working with the battery, but that problem is fixable. Okay, that is when the capacitor stop recognizing it, but that is fixable. The battery doesn't go bad if you are simply using your computer with the power cable attached. And then here's one more thing that I suggest all users: search for Task Manager. Okay, and then go to Task Manager, and then after going to Task Manager, you can go to the Startup tab on the list on the left hand side, select Status by Enabled. Okay, and check the apps which are unnecessary to for running in the background, like Notion. I don't need it in the background. Simply right click and disable all such applications and only keep the applications which are necessary. Another thing that you can try is to search for performance in the Windows search bar and go to adjust the appearance and performance of Windows, and then you can select it for adjust for best performance. Or here's what I do: I set it this way, but I say show thumbnails instead of icons, and I select this one, save taskbar thumbnail preview and smooth edges of screen fonts. These are the three that I check. You can decide according to your requirements what you feel is the best, but try to keep as minimum boxes checked as possible. Then click on apply and then on OK. This will save a lot of battery. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.